Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change the interface language on Facebook. Normally, when we create a Facebook account, Facebook interface appears in the same language as the one we choose in our computer's language settings. But if you want to change your Facebook interface into another language, for example, to your native language, Facebook offering more than 100 languages other than the default one, so we can select a suitable language on which we can use it safely and easily. Notice that now the interface is displaying in English language defaultly. To change this, click on the down arrow on top right next to notifications. From the drop down options, come to settings and privacy, and in the next pop-up options, click on settings. In the left panel, select to language and region, and in right panel come to Facebook language. By default it is showing English US. To change this, simply click on edit. To select our custom language, click on down arrow and we will get a list of languages of different countries. I am from Hyderabad in India, so I want to select Telugu language, and after that click on save changes, and notice that automatically the Facebook interface changes into the language we selected. Similarly, come to home and check the interface, and we have successfully changed the Facebook interface. Remember that this will only change the language of the Facebook interface but not the languages of the posts we see. Again, to change the Facebook language, come to settings and privacy, settings, select Bhasha Mariyu Prantam. If you want to bring this to default language, select the language, but I want to select another language and check the interface. By changing the Facebook interface language into our favorite language, everyone, even uneducated peoples also, can easily understand and use the Facebook without any efforts. Like this, we can change the interface language on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.